Hello. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to install SQLAlchemy and Visual Studio Code Easy Guide. So for us to be able to begin, the first thing that we need to do in here is to check if we have correctly installed Python onto our device. To do so, just open Command Prompt onto your device, and here we're gonna go ahead and type in Python version. So if this one is correctly installed, it should go ahead and show us the Python version that we're currently in. Click on enter. So as you can see, we have currently installed 3.13.1. So right after this, we're going to go ahead and install in here the SQLAlchemy. To do so, just type in pip, then install, then right after SQLAlchemy. Click on to enter, and then right after it will initiate the downloading. So you'll just have to wait for this one. So this is what it should look like while it is downloading. So we'll just have to wait for this one to be finished. Now, it should go ahead and show something like this once it is successfully installed. So let's exit this first, the command prompt, so that we could head onto Visual Studio Code. So what we could do first in here is to create a file folder to locate or to put in our sample works. So let's just name the sample in there. Head onto the Visual Studio Code of your device and open that folder. So click on open folder in here and try to find that. So right after, inside that specific folder, we're going to create a new file. So I'll just click on yes, I trust the authors for that. So we're going to create a new file in here. Click onto this icon and we're going to name this main.py. Click onto enter and this should go ahead and open the file here. So we'll just wait for this one first. So right after this, so once you have completely made the main.py file in here, we're going to go ahead and try to import SQLAlchemy. So this is to test if this has been added already onto the device. So as you can see, it should go in something like this, and we'll try to go ahead and print here hello. So right after, let's try to run this. Click on run without debugging, and if this one is correct, you should not be able to see in here that there is no error. So a terminal will open here. And as you can see, it has printed onto the terminal the hello. So we have successfully installed already SQLAlchemy and Visual Studio Code. If you think that this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.